We are back with the winch at the scene of the breakage last time. Fully repaired, we have gone to engage it and give it a try. We have our pressure gauge up here to see what pressure we're running, and without doing anything, a pipe burst. Yay! Oh, Robertie's showing us the pipe burst. And it's the free flow return pipe burst as well. That's good, isn't it? So, we are now in the process of seeing if we have any other pipes that fit.
My fitting is female, that's female. You've got a bit of rag to clean it up as I went.
No way, that's not like you. Just so for the camera. Professional on camera.
We've got a 90-degree elbow on it because it's what we've already got kicking around rather than buying a dedicated hose.
To get us going, no, it's fine, isn't it?
We like using up spares that are kicking around, that's
good fun. It's cheap. I like cheap.
not sure Safi likes cheap. Safi likes being spoiled. She says, I want fresh grass, please.
Open the gates now. Been here for 2 days.
For 2 days. It's time for a change. Yeah, 3/8 fittings and 2 different size bolts for the same thing. Isn't that fun, eh?
We're done, that'll do.
You nipped the other one. Have you nipped the other one?
Hmm?
You nipped the one that you...
Yeah.
Perfect. Right.
I tightened mine up.
You tightened yours.
I tightened mine.
Yeah, you still want it to... caught in anything too horrendous.
Into the free flow return.
It's the same free flow return the loader uses.
Is it?
That's why I've got that huge T-piece there.
Ah.
Try again.
Try again, Bella. Come on, Bella. Bella, move.
It should be in the cab again.
Hey?
Don't encourage her, should be in the cab. She's...
Knapsack. So we do appear to have some restrictions. So we have no oil leak. Yay! So she's ready to go somewhere. Right then, let's... How much? Are you just putting the hook in because nothing's connected? Nothing's connected yet.
I thought I was all connected up, that's why I was pointing in.
No, you shunted and it's like the pipe burst.
I thought it was connected up, that's why I...
Oh, that's only what you're doing.
Why do you think I was still running?
I don't know. I thought
I was taking off the slack on the road.
I thought you were playing. Right, let's take it back down.
Were you engaged the clutch before?
Yeah, ready to, like, because there was loads of slack to hook the thing on and then the pipe burst.
I thought it was all connected up before you'd even engaged the clutch.
No!
That's the way you connect the clutch.
I put the clutch in ready so I could go down there and hook it on, but the pipe burst.
Okay. What do you think I was waiting it in for?
Did you play with your motor thing?
No, I was fucking waiting. I thought it was putting it in. It was done.
Right, there's half a ton on that. It's 760 kilo. Go on. $820 kilo. We now have the chain hooked onto the log that broke the winch last time because it hadn't really been made very well, and one of the reasons it broke was that end down there got wedged in the bank here and it got a bit unhappy. But now Rob's going to keep an eye on the pressure on the gauge up there in the tractor because he's good like that and he probably won't bother, and then we'll see what happens with this. We have Bella on hand to help us along the way. Now in gear, that engages the dog clutch. So we don't know now whether that's going to roll over or the bit's going to break off that's already been cut through with a saw. Bella, come on.
Do you want to redo the chain at the far end?
Can you just come back a little bit so I can get it past this stump?
Get up to nearly 1,000 psi.
We've got the chain hooked on as best we can at the minute. Hopefully it'll pull tighter into the tree. Whether the bit on that end stays on, I don't know. That might just fall off. But if we can get that big chunk out, we will be doing rather well, I reckon. Oh well, that bit's gone. Roberty there, keeping an eye on the pressure, making sure we don't put too much strain on it. Chain slipping a little bit. Starting to dig in the bank a bit now. This is like kind of what went wrong last time, but it was a hellishly bigger bit last time, so hopefully this time we'll be fine. Bella's there, still, well, I don't know, it's better getting in the way or not. It's not really the dog's place by the winch cable, so as long as she stays behind me, we're fine. Slow and steady, hopefully wins the race. Good thing with hydraulics is there's no mechanical clutch to burn out, but it is a bit more of a guessing game at the minute until we can properly calibrate a pressure relief valve to the tullies that the cable can hold. Bella, come on, away from there, come here. Good girl. Sit. Yeah, at least it's coming up, so that's a good thing. Unfortunately, as strong as hydraulic winches are, they are painfully slow. But at least the repair on the winch has been a success. So putting all the strengthening plates on and everything seems to have done the job. But there's a fair bit of weight in that bit of wood, and you know, pulling up the bank, it's got extra resistance on it, so in a minute Rob will lift up and then he'll drive forwards and the job will be a good one.